Hello all. In this demonstration I'm going to make a two-part hollow form. Uh, the advantage of that is that if you don't have specialized equipment for hollowing, uh, you can make the hollow form, and also if you want to finish the inside of the piece, it's easier if you do it in two parts. So to do this I started with a cherry log and started by sawing it in half. And we'll go from there and see what we come up with. To begin with, I'm going to joint one edge of each piece, and then I'm going to bandsaw the pieces to rough width. Okay, so here are the two pieces with the edges joined, and now I'm going to bandsaw first the other edge and then this one if I need to get the pieces down to rough size. Here are the pieces cut to rough width, and I'm going to go and plane the face, I'd rather joint the face, and then plane the edges so that they're true. Okay, now I'm going to cut the piece to rough thickness, and I'll make two passes with each piece to do that. next step is going to be to lay out the squares on the pieces now that I have them sized so they're the same width and same thickness. Okay, here I'm going to just center punch a couple of these marks and then go over to the drill press and drill a couple of small holes. So here I've clamped the piece in place and I'm about to drill the locator holes with a 1/16 inch drill bit. I'll drill them 1/4 of an inch deep, and they are for locator pins so that I keep everything aligned when it's time to glue it together. The next thing I'm going to do is to trim off one end of each piece with the chop saw so the pieces will align, and I can then mark where the alignment holes go. Okay, next I'll put the pins into their places and then put the pieces together and put some pressure on them to mark exactly where the holes need to be drilled for the alignment. And then I'll go drill the holes on the drill press. Okay, and that has marked the positions where I want to drill the other holes. Okay, now I'm ready to bandsaw the circles, and then after that we'll mount the pieces on the lathe. The next thing I'm going to do is to drill bore 2-inch mounting holes into the interior faces of the pieces. Make them deep so that they'll sit right flat on the jaws because I don't want them moving.